Xiaomi says the cameras are one of the big highlights of the Redmi Note 5 Pro. And in our experience, they were pretty good. At the back of the phone, there's a primary 12-megapixel camera with 1.25 micron pixels on its sensor and f2.2 aperture, while the second 5-megapixel camera is only used for sensing depth for the portrait mode effect. In front it has 20-megapixel camera with f2.2 aperture.